Today's polycarbonate or plastic headlight lenses can fade and yellow due to pollution, contaminants, and the sun's UV rays. This fading or yellowing can greatly reduce your headlight's brightness, possibly creating a dangerous scenario. Technician's Choice Headlight Restoration Kit can help renew polycarbonate headlights to like-new condition without costly replacement. Let's get started. Place the contents of the kit on a clean workspace near the vehicle. The Headlight Restoration Kit contains 1 lens prep, 2 towelettes, 1 lens coating, a set of vinyl gloves, 4 pieces of 400 grit wet-dry sandpaper, 1 piece of each 1000 and 2000 grit wet-dry sandpaper, 1 foam applicator sponge, and 2 lint-free towels. You will need to supply safety glasses, automotive masking tape, an empty 8-ounce disposable coffee cup, and optionally a headlight squeegee and soap if desired. Directions. Some special notes. This kit is made for polycarbonate or plastic headlights only. This is not intended for glass headlights. Please wear proper protective equipment. 1 pair of disposable gloves is provided. Do not use in direct sunlight, and assure work area is free of dust prior to application. Protect paint and trim areas from exposure to lens prep and lens coating during the application. In step 1, we will prepare the lens. First, we will wash the lens with soap and water. Then apply 2 layers of automotive masking tape around the perimeter headlight to assure that the surrounding painted surface and trim areas are protected. Unprotected painted surfaces or trim areas may be damaged if they're not protected properly. Step 2 is the initial sanding of the lens. Place all 6 pieces of sandpaper into the cup to soak. Open and pour the entire contents of Tech Lens Prep into an 8-ounce disposable coffee cup and fill with 6 ounces of clean water. Once the paper is soaked for a few minutes, use 1 sheet of the 400 grit wet-dry sandpaper and sand the headlight using medium pressure and alternating vertical and horizontal strokes until the headlight is evenly sanded and completely frosted over. Use the Tech Lens Prep as a lubricant during the sanding process. If any gloss or clear spots exist after sanding, when you are done sanding, wipe off the residual from the headlight, either using the lint-free towel or the headlight squeegee. Step 3, we are going to sand the lens again to reduce the fine scratches. Remove 1 piece of 1000 grit wet-dry sandpaper from the coffee cup. Apply medium pressure and sand the headlight again using alternating vertical and horizontal strokes until the larger scratches from step 2 are eliminated. The TEC lens prep can be used as a lubricant during the sanding process. When you are done sanding, wipe off the residual from the headlight either using the lint-free towel or headlight squeegee. In step 4, we sand the lens to fine-tune the scratches. Remove 1 piece of 2000 grit wet-dry sandpaper from the coffee cup. Apply medium pressure and sand the lens using alternating horizontal and vertical strokes until the scratches from step 3 are eliminated. After the lens has been properly sanded, we are ready for step 5, which is preparing the lens for the coating. First, wipe each of the lenses with 1 towelette. The headlight must be completely dry and clean of all residual created from the sanding process. This is a crucial step to ensure the proper bonding of the TEC lens coating. In step 6, you will apply the TEC lens coating to the headlight. After ensuring that step 5 was followed correctly, apply a quarter-size amount of the TEC lens coating to the white side of the foam applicator sponge. To apply, move the sponge evenly across the lens in a direction that follows the grain of the lens. Be sure to cover the entire lens using more TEC lens coating if necessary. Smooth out any runs within 3 minutes of the application for an even finish. The coating should be completely dry within 30 minutes of application. If a shorter drying time is desired, turn on the headlights. Once you have completed an even application to both lenses, please be sure that no contaminants or debris have come in contact with the moist surface. If any imperfections appear on the surface while drying, in the initial stages, that's the 5 to 10 minute range, wash the lens with soap and water or with the TEC lens prep and repeat step 6. When the finished headlight is completely dry to the touch, remove the masking tape and wash surrounded painted surface with soap and water. Please properly discard all of the materials after use. The process is now complete. Thanks for watching, and look for our next Technician's Choice training video, which is coming soon. Our Tech 70 TC Black Fusion. This revolutionary new formula will restore and renew black or gray plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces to like new appearance. Introducing Technician's Choice TC70 Black Fusion. This proprietary formula is easy to use and renews surfaces treated for up to 1 year. That's right, up to 1 full year without a second application. Apply it on vinyl cladding found on most SUVs, black trim and rubber moldings around windows and bumpers, and extended fenders, and much more. Seeing is believing. Ask for TC Black Fusion from your Technician's Choice sales rep today.